Quite interesting time that we are living in, the era of digital revolution and pandemic colliding, where pandemic has actually given boost to the digitalization process, where businesses are actually accepting the fact that they have to go digital in true sense.
Banking industry has been very conventional in terms of delivery of its products and services to customers. However, ever since the COVID happened, the industry realized that they need to move towards digitization. And Mizan Bank also felt a very strong need to accelerate the delivery of its products and services through digital means. So for this purpose, we distributed tablets to our branches so that our staff can give demo of our mobile app and internet banking to our customers who are visiting the branches. With this, there came a huge concern about security. We needed to make sure that these tablets are secured and also that these tablets are used for the purpose they are meant for.
Jazz Business, being market leader in providing innovative services to businesses, has provided Mizan Bank with wide range of services for over a decade now. Collaborating with Mizan Bank on their data security issue was actually very interesting, where Jazz Business was trying to improve the experience of their end users without letting Mizan Bank compromise on the data security policies.
So for this purpose, we partnered up with Jazz Business, who provided us with MDM, which is Mobile Device Management Solution, powered by Samsung Knox. It is a cloud-based solution that allows us to centrally manage our devices, monitor usage of these devices, and implement our IT security policies, which are very, very critical for Mizan Bank, and we were able to do that with the help of this solution. And now I'm happy to share with you that after a span of 1 year of our partnership with Jazz Business, we have now become number one in industry as far as the digital transfers by value is concerned, according to OneLink's latest ranking report. Moreover, we have also used robocall service by Jazz, which is a pre-recorded call service to create awareness about the safety of digital products and services among our customers. I'm glad that Jazz Business has been our partner in our digital journey, and we wish to continue this relationship and explore many more such avenues in future together.
Jazz Business, designed to help you grow.